Hello, I am going to try to install Yeoman on my brand new System76 laptop with Ubuntu 12.04. I have previously tried to install it on a 12.10 system, the beta. It didn't go very well, so now I'm going to try to document it very thoroughly what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's get started. I will open a terminal and curl this. Great. Okay, I install curl. So curl is installed. I'll try to get the yeoman files now. Okay, and then it says that I am missing a lot of packages, which is quite obvious as this is a very brand new installation of Ubuntu. So I'll just take them from one end, see if I can use the built-in. Oh, come on. Package management for most of it. So this is Git coming in. Node.js. Okay, and here for Node.js, he says that we should grab a fresh install from this URL. Okay, we'll do that as soon as Git is done, and Git is done. Great. So here. Okay, so the link didn't work. I'll go copy it manually. Node.js. Linux binaries, source code. Well, since this is Ubuntu, I would prefer at least if I could have it in a PPA rather than trying to build it myself or whatever will happen. So I'll search for that. Launchpad. Okay, so here's a PPA for Node.js. Okay. Step 1. On the PPH overview page, look for the heading that reads adding this PPA to your system. Make a note of the PPA's location, which looks like that. Okay, can I find such one? No. No URL. View package details. No, there's no PPA address. So, tough luck. Maybe these are the address? No, it has to be a full address. Oh. This looks much better. That could be the URL. I'm gonna copy that one. So with that one, open a terminal and sudo apt repository and the PPA. Okay, this one. And the PPA address. Why is my terminal not here? That makes absolutely no sense. Terminal gone. Seriously. Yeah. No. the URL is not correct because these starts with a PPA : and this one starts with something else. Oh, there it is. Ah, okay. Didn't see that. Okay, copy. And still no terminal. Why can't I tap to the terminal? Okay, so this should be the command. Press enter to continue. Yeah. And it says, okay, let's see if node is installed. Whee! No? What happened? No, the program node can be found in the following packages. Try. Well, you see. Okay, so I just added the PPA. Okay. Open a terminal. Your system will now fetch the PPA's key to enable your Ubuntu system to verify that the packages in the PPA have not been interfered with since they were built. No, I don't want to check for that. Now, as a one-off, you should tell your system pull down the latest list of software. I can do that. Boom, boom. Okay, so now you're ready to start installing software from the PPA. And now I am a bit uncertain because, come on, if I say sudo apt get install node, I don't know if it will take it from the Ubuntu repository, which might be outdated, or I know is outdated, or it will go take it from the PPA. So to be sure that it comes from the PPA, I will see if I can do it through Ubuntu Software Center. Maybe I can see the PPAs in here. Yeah, not exactly sure where I can see PPAs. How to add a yes, and where to check what's in them. Other software, add. I did kind of add it, so they have added it, and then make sure after doing this, the Ubuntu Software Center will update its package list with apps available in the PPA you added. Okay, so maybe if I get to this menu, I can see the PPA being there. Oops, this menu is not the same. All software independent? No. Search. What about? I'll try just node to see what happens. No match. Great. Okay. Ubuntu. Node.js. PPA. Maybe there's a guide on how exactly to get the right. Adding some. No. Okay, I added the PPA. I just want to see the content. PPA list. PPA. How can I do this? How do I use software from PPA? let's see what packages are in it. Activating, deleting, next steps. Come on. Christ. Okay, so here's a hint. Sudo apt-get install node.js npm. So I didn't really figure out how to see the content of this PPA, unfortunately. But here's a trick. I can just do that, and hopefully it will pick them from the PPA and not from Ubuntu repository. I'll just have to pray, and still no terminal I can tap to. That is crazy. Sudo apt-get install node.js npm. Wait a minute. Before I do this, I want to see what is in my path, because last time I tried this, I had problems with that path. So echo path, and I want it into pre-node path. Great. Cat pre-node path. Okay, user lib lightdm, user local sbin. Last time there seemed to be two node binaries. One located in sbin, which was completely passive. I couldn't, if I wrote that, if I just wrote node, it would come out with absolutely nothing. Nothing would happen at all. There was another node, I think this might have been the location, which worked fine, but as this one is after this weird passive one, it didn't activate. I could only reach it by using the full list here. Yeah, I don't know why this passive node executable ends up here. No clue why that happens. But let's see what's gonna happen when we do this one. Oh Christ. Yes. See this. Okay, it says Chris Leah. Great. Really great. So it seems like it's fetching it from the PPA. Yeah, Chris Leah. Great. So, node installed. Node. Ah, this time I get a prompt, which is way better than before. Didn't get that. So let's see what's in the path now. And cat the pre-node path. So, okay, nothing's changed. I just want to see if there actually is a executable in that sbin folder. No, no. User local bin. No, neither. Okay, so which node? User bin node. Okay. 0812. I just want to see what's the most recent version of node. Node.js. No, thanks. Most recent version here, 0812, and come on. That's the one I got. Great, and that could only happen through the PPA, so I'm home safe for now, and Node even works. That's amazing. Okay, off it goes. So that was step one. Now I can do this again. See what I'm missing. Come on, more. Dum -dum. Great. So that was Node, and I need Ruby. So question is, do I need to get Ruby the fancy new version, or can I just do Okay, this one. Ruby version cannot be found. Okay, look at this. So this is from Ubuntu repository, and it says Ruby 1.8 and Ruby 1.9.1, and oh, so I'm borderline because it needs 1.8.7. Let's see what happens if I just try to get the built-in. Yes, please. And Ruby version 1.8.7. That is borderline. Okay, but that's an equal sign, so I am home safe. On the Ruby side, I don't want to go PPA if I can do without. And it seems I can. Ruby gems, well, you'll acquire this with your Ruby installation. Thanks. So these are done. Then I need compass. And no, the link doesn't work. I'll select it. And this seems quite easy. This is through the gem package manager, Ruby's package manager. Oh, come on. That's a major bug. How come I can't tab onto the terminal? That is crazy. Gem not installed, but it just said that it would come. I just read that. Why is gem not here? Okay, so gem apparently didn't get installed, but now it does. So weird I can't tap into the terminal. But that's a bit cumbersome. Okay. Gem installed. Let's see if I can update. Come on! I just got it. Sudo apt-get installed gem. Oh Christ. I want to search for gem, see where the binary is, so I can run it through there. What? Okay, Christ. Seriously. Yeah, okay. I gotta Google that one. Okay, I'm just gonna spend some time figuring out how to run the gem. I'll pause for now. Yeah, I don't know. Ruby gems. Maybe I should install Ruby gems. Sudo apt-get install gem. And what if I try Ruby gem? Unable to look at gem. Okay. Apt-get how to apt-get search, how to search with apt-get. Come on. No. Come on. Apt-get search. I'm just gonna try apt-get search. Find, locate. No. Okay. No. App cache search. Okay. Seriously. Mm-hmm. Debian Ruby packaging suite Ruby gems sudo apt-get install Ruby gems. Aha, maybe that's the one. Okay, let's hope so. So I just had to search sudo apt-cache search something that smelled a bit like fish, and it was so kind as to find something that smelled even more a bit like fish. Boom, install it, and hopefully it works now. So what was I gonna do with it? I was gonna gem update error is disabled because it will override the content. Okay. If you really know what you're doing, I don't. You can still update Ruby gems by setting, okay, I don't want to update it, I'll just deal without it. Okay, Compass. Gem install Compass. Exciting. Permission denied. Maybe I should put a sudo. Fetching. 4 gems installed. That sounds good. How do I check it? Compass. I can just try Compass. So stupid. I don't get it. That's so basic functionality. And this is a long-term release. Why can't it? I can't believe it. I just can't tab onto the terminal. That is unbelievable. And something happens. That is really awesome. Oh, 12. Great. I'm sure it works. So, maybe we should try this one again to see how far we made it. Okay, Ruby gems, Ruby, Compass, Phantom.js. Follow instructions at the Binary installs are quick. No, it's just a link for the fun of it. It's not actually a link, not something you can actually use. It just looks nice with a line under it. Christ. Seriously. Phantom. Linux. 64-bit. I don't want to deal with a tar. Really, I don't. I'll see if I can find a PPA. Maybe. Why did this react on PPA? Okay, so here we have it. Nicely hidden in this corner. And we'll do sudo apt add apt repository. Okay, this one first. You're about to add this PPA, enter to continue. Okay, right. And we need to... Oh no, we got to figure out the name of the package once again. We can do an update. And try out our luck. Yes, I hit something. Bam, that was too easy. Setting up Phantom.js version. No. And it reacts when I type its name. That's amazing. Too easy. Let's see what it says now. JPEG tran. Okay. Nothing like that. PPA, I guess. To install JPEG tran, you can run the following command: libjpeg procs. Okay. Yes. See if it works. JPEG tran. Seriously? Version number, great. Something worked. It's there, I assume. Let's see. Come on. What's missing out? Up-t png. It put out something. That's good. Version number, even better. Great. And what more? up tpng and then yeoman, which I can do like this. Boom. And full of errors. That is awesome. E-access and make dear user lib modules. Oh, I guess I have to put a sudo. Mm-hmm. So now comes the final hour. So can I do ysod init? Not ysod. Yeoman. Yeoman init. Haha! It caught on! Awesome! It didn't do that earlier. I had huge trouble calling yeoman. It just didn't work. Something with that path not pointing to node modules and the node binary not being recognized on the path either. So that was quite not so cool. But now it works. That's awesome. At least it seemingly works. I don't know how much it will fail. Earlier I also tried installing it on Windows 7, and while it worked in the sense that I could call yeoman init, it was so full of errors that I couldn't use it for anything. So, but I'll figure out. It's not for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.